How many countries are in Europe?
I think like 40 to 50 around.
More than 26, I think.
What about?
More than 20.
Okay. If there are 10 birds on a tree, and a shooter comes and shoots one of the birds, how many birds are left on the tree?
0.
0.
Yeah.
What about you?
9 birds?
Okay.
0.
Why do you think there'll be 0 on the tree?
The sound of a bullet.
Okay.
Other remaining. One may bite it and none other will fly away. Yeah.
Okay.
Same.
Okay. So you, okay. Why do you say 9?
Because all the birds are not like a pigeon, but it's like a crow too. Because if one crow flew, then other not fly. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.